Welcome to ZoeCore, a company dedicated to the preservation of human reproduction. At a time when fertility is declining, our company chooses high-quality, fertile women between the ages of 18 and 35 to become mothers and devote their youth to human reproduction. We will provide women with a balanced cuisine and a relaxing personal space. The high nutrient content of 8 foods will provide women with the energy they need to sustain their pregnancy and health. We do not use any additives and only provide natural foods. The processed food is pumped into each individual's room. Women are allowed to have personal rooms here. Medical examinations are performed daily in order for women to provide a healthier body for their fetus. Common conditions that occur in pregnant women, such as breast unblocking and digestive disorders, are treated. We can quickly check the health of the uterus or her fetus via an abdominal tube. Healthy newborns are born after 10 months of loving care. For the first 10 months, these babies are kept in an observation room. We use mechanized methods to increase the efficiency with which breast milk is produced for the benefit of the baby's growth. This breast milk is assembled, sterilized, and screened before being delivered to the observation room. After 10 months of care, the babies are distributed to families. In order to continue the future of the country, women need to carry out their innate duty. If you are interested in ZoeCore, please call us and get your daughter or wife involved in this great cause.
At the end of last century, a harmful gas infected the earth. Due to the lack of resistance to the gas in human genes, it can quickly cause serious damage to humans. People had to wear masks or stay at home to avoid prolonged exposure to the toxic air. However, scientists have discovered that, in a town called Olaco, near the equator, something is consuming toxic gas on the ground, so the area is not strongly affected, and we can now follow in their footsteps and find out the secrets of this area. In the underground area, there is an abandoned pond laboratory for air pollution. In the middle of the laboratory, the most important plants grow. Different plants have been grafted onto veins to make them super plants that absorb harmful gases. Due to unexpected factors, the plants have mutated. The camera is still working, recording the state of the different parts of the plant. This area contains 3 different kinds of plants to protect the super plant. Plants that can give off the smell to repel bugs, and plants that can eat bugs. This area is planted with ivy, which is the basis of the super plant, as it can grow quite long. Plants that grow in this area can grow at a very fast rate. The plants growing in this area are the most important part of the consumption of harmful gases. The changes in this part are most noticeable after long periods without planting. There are 2 connected areas in the hidden cave. The one on the left is where the scientists observe and discuss. Depending on the data from the multiple monitoring strings, the scientists change the pace or plan of the experiment. When the growth trend of a plant is not as expected, scientists look for a replacement plant in the seed bank. In front of a seed bank are areas where bacteria are generated to deplete the soil of harmful elements. When plants are grown in contaminated soil, these bacteria are placed around the plant to cleanse the contamination and make it easier for the plants to grow. The laboratory was put into use again, and the scientists who discovered that it was a mutation in the plants themselves that had done the experiment by coincidence. The actual section underground was built to allow scientists to discover more about the mutated plants. The super plants were placed in a huge petri dish for better observation and manipulation. The power plant remains virtually a mysterious, uncontrollable presence waiting to be discovered.
The show is about to begin.
What will the new idol
She has
look
to be
like?
beautiful because the idol should be perfect.
Oh my god.
She
She's
surprised
so
me.
beautiful.
She's the most beautiful model I've ever seen.
She is a
She's
woman.
got stunning.
I can't take my eyes off her. Her performance is awesome.
Don't you guys think she's boring? Her
I've been wanting to
performance
say
was
for a
so
long time
ordinary.
that her performance was average. I don't know
I
what so
think
many
so.
people are praising
It's too
her.
easy to be.
I
I want to see
never
something
thought
different.
she doesn't
She's
seem
so
like
strange.
The show
before.
is about to end.
Boss, I want to show something different. I'm tired of acting like a perfect doll in front of them. The audience is also tired of my changing look. I want to show the audience the real me and the difficulties I went through.
No, the idol must remain perfect. Idol mustn't have any scars.
I really suffered a lot to become an idol, and it's all part of who I am. I think I should show the whole me on stage.
The idol must be perfect. If you break this law, you will be discarded by the company.
I will follow through with my belief. I wish people would look at me and think, well, someone like that exists.
The show is about to begin.
Show something new. Boring
It's this
idol.
boring idol
Being
again.
idol is so
Viewers,
easy.
please love me. I love you. Please understand my
I don't
pain.
care about her pain.
It's normal for an idol to
I
be
can't
blamed,
understand her.
isn't it?
She's so fragile as
Oh
an idol.
my god.
Is she
What
crazy?
is she doing?
It's
Is
so
she
horrible.
dismantling her own arm?
Scary.
I
The
don't
show
want to
is
see
about
that.
I
to
don't
end.
Meant
come
she
to
shouldn't
see
be on
her
stage.
do this.
She is
not
so
Can
perfect
Chile,
idol.
why the stage is
Those
ended?
who do not follow the principles of idols will be abandoned immediately.
That's good. I never want to see this crazy woman
I
again
can't
anyway.
wait to see the next new idol.